In this tutorial we will study what is filter and what are different types of filter. Filter is a two-port network used to control the frequency response at certain point by providing attenuation in the stop band of a filter and transmission at a frequency within the pass band of filter. It means filter can help to pass certain frequency and to stop a certain frequencies in a given range. Let's see different types of filter. Bandpass filter. Bandpass filter used to pass some certain frequency range and block other from given an input signal. It will pass certain frequency. Let's see this. In this range frequency it pass and in other it will stop. Similarly, band stop filter, certain frequency from input and pass other frequency in band stop filter. Band pass filter is used for passing a specific frequency, and band stop filter we going to stop certain frequency range. And similarly, low pass filter, it is used to pass a low frequency in a given range. For example, we are going to pass frequency from 5 GHz to 10 GHz. For 1 GHz low pass filter, it will pass from 5 GHz to 6 GHz, and it will stop other from 6 GHz to 10 GHz. It will stop in this range. Another type is high pass filter, a filter which pass high frequencies in a signal. Let us suppose the frequency range is from 5 GHz to 10 GHz, but we are going to design a high pass filter of 1 GHz. Then definitely the high frequency is from 9 GHz to 10 GHz. It will pass that frequency and it will stop the lower frequencies. And another type is notch filter. It is used to pass only one frequency in a whole range of given frequencies. That is why we called it notch filter. In HFSS filter tutorials, we will study the bandpass filter. Number of bands it will pass and number of band it will stop. In coming tutorial, we will study dual band bandpass filter, triple band bandpass filter, and similarly tri-band bandpass filter and quanta band bandpass filter, and similarly hexaband bandpass filter. To knowing the basics of these tutorials, you must need to know what is filter, what is its types, and also the basic features and characteristics of a filter. We will study in next tutorial what are the features of a filter. Thanks.